Yo guys, Junior Gaming TV with a video. Today we're gonna be doing a ultimate opening of Pokemon TCG Live. Let's go. But before we start, smash the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I'll make lots of videos, lots because I was busy. And yep. So first of all, let's start off how I did this. I got a lot of code cards, and I got a booster box. And let's go. Okay, dokie, let's open these packs, y'all. Okay, with the voltage. Okay, this fish. Thank you. My tang. Reverse. Beedrill. Are you kidding me? Really? Cleffa. The eel. Poppy. Cleffa. Frogadier. And Thunderous Hollow, man. Thunderous Hollow's always been mean to me. Okay. Claydol Hollow, man. Why are you gonna be mean? What'd I do to you? I gave you $50. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. No way, let's go. Okay, let's continue. I got like one for one. Okay, we got lots of packs, so just sit back, get a snack, get a drink, and relax. Okay. That whale. Anti-hollow, really? Yeah, man, no. Okay, and Claydol Hollow. I'm about to. If I get a Claydol Hollow, I gotta get like around $50. God is good. Well, okay, what's the hand? And of course, it's a freaking intake. Okay. Alrighty, I'm smashing my hand today. Ooh, okay, I love this hollow. I love it. Wait, I don't mean it like that. I love this because it's like Pikachu, like Palden version. Can't blame me for that. No way. Isn't this a secret rare though? Oh my gosh, it actually is. We got a Pokemon. Gonna get you. Okay. Venusaur. How was my impression? Tell me in the comments and like if it was good. Subscribe if it was weird. Okay, Kabuto's evolution. Tortoise. Gengar. Why does Gengar, like, not, even when it's not full art, it looks cool though? If you agree with me, like and subscribe. Or just. Ooh! Yes. Also, if you want me to make lots of more if you guys like and subscribe, I'm going to make a lot more videos in a flash. It may not sound true, but it's going to be true. Just wait. Ooh, Zapdos Hollow, let's go. Okay, 150. Huh? Energy card on the front hollow? I'm scared right now. Did I get like a secret rare? Oh, Mewtwo Hollow, okay. I got scared for a second. Like, did I get like a secret rare in the front? I mean, in the back in this pack. Ooh, Venusaur. Alright. Oh, shiny! Let's go. Okay, Palden face. Ooh. Professor's research. I'm a professor of Junior Gamer TV here. Yeah. Okay, Professor's research again. Can I please, if I get a hollow, you guys have to like and subscribe. We got it. Yep, you got a howl. Anyway, let's just continue with the video onward. Ooh, Shiny Charmeleon, let's go. He's one of my favorite shinies. Ooh, Squidward. I'm sorry, that was offensive to you, Squidward. Oh, what is that? No. What is that? I need to know. What was that? Okay. Palden look like he better do. Okay, anyway. Hollow. Wanna hover all the world. Okay, let's see.
He needs some milk.
I would like to apologize for what I have done, and that's cool and a hollow. Okay. Pull. Okay, get after it. Let's go. Palden evolve. Okay. Okay, let's go. If I get one more hollow, I'm going insane. Okay. Ooh, okay, a golem. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, guys, go. Secret rare. This is a secret rare. Oh my gosh. 3 gold stars. Oh my gosh. That's our greatest pull in Junior Gamer history. Oh my gosh. Okay, Diddle Hollow. I missed the range. Okay, I know. Got 2 packs left. Okay, and that's gonna end the video off today. But before we end off, don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll catch you up in the next video. See you guys later, gamers. Stay awesome.